So it will be nrityate. Since it is skit, no guna or vriddhi. So it's nrityate. Then the next one is tavya.
Nich, I think.
Nich, okay. So nich will be nrit plus nich, which will be nrit plus e. And since vriddhi happens, it will be, no, there is no vriddhi here. So it is again Bhuganta Lagu Padasya. Yeah, Nart. It will become, guna takes place. So it will be Nart plus e. So the new dhatu will be Narti. So with Narti, if we add let, it will be Shap plus Shap, Narti plus Shap plus Tip, Ti. So that will be Narti plus A plus Ti. Then Narte plus A plus Ti. Plus A. Then it will become Nart plus I plus A plus Ti. Because of Ayavadi Sandhi, then Nartayati. Next one is Nrit plus Tavya. Okay. So Nrit plus Tavya. So Nrit is what it is, Sate. So it will cause
It will cause.
गिर गया खट गिर गया अरे बंद कर अच्छा टाइट बंद करना है तो जब नीचे गिरेगा बंद कर अच्छी तरह
so Tavya it I think it can it is Sate, isn't it? It can take idagama, yeah?
Yes.
Tavya is Ardha Dhatuka. Is it Sate?
Yes, it is Sate.
Sate. So it can take our id agama. So it will become E plus Tavya. But Tavya is Ardha Dhatuka, so it can take guna of the upada, lagu upada. So Narti, it will become Narti plus Tavya. Narti Tavya. Okay. Then Aniyar, maybe we'll do all three and then check. Nrit plus Aniyar. Content will be Aniya. Nrit plus Aniya. Same thing. Aniya is Ardha Dhatuka. So Nrit will become Nart. Nart plus Aniya.
But
because of guna. Sorry?
No, sorry. My mistake.
Nart plus Aniya. And Nartaniya. Next one is Gain.
Nyat, I think, then Gain.
Nyat, yeah. Nrit plus Nyat. So Nrit plus Ya. Nakara and Takara will go away. Yeah. So Nyat, it is Nit. So it will cause guna of the upada. Yeah. So narth plus ya. Nartya. Yeah. Nartya. Yeah. Nartya. Then gai. Nrit plus gai. So the content will be nrit plus a. And guna doesn't take place. So it is narth again. Narth plus a. Guna takes place. Sorry, no, because of nyat, there is no vriddhi, there is no possibility of vriddhi. So narth plus a. Nartha.
We can see.
Yeah, we can check if it is correct. Yeah.
Up here. Nartita.
Nartita. Nartitavya.
Nartaniya.
Yeah, nartitavya, nartaniya.
Nartaniya.
Gai is narta.
Narta. Yeah.
And nyat.
You don't find. Yeah.
No nyat, probably because nyat is not given.
I seem to find.
See, because it hal, that set is there, na krit pratyayas, nyat and so probably
It's not applicable to this.
It is not applicable because it is hal ending. Hal ending, maybe the other krit pratyaya will be applicable.
Sounds good.
Yeah. For ach ending dhatus, yat will apply, not nyat. So, no, ach ending, sorry, this is hal ending, no? 1 second. Ru ending dhatus take nyat and hal ending dhatus take nyat. No, it is nyat only. Correct only. I don't know.
Maybe they just didn't cover that pratyaya here.
Nyat, it can take nyat. Hal ending dhatus can take nyat. But some specific dhatus take kyap, possibly it takes kyap also. All are krit pratyayas.
Halo or nyat. It is verbs that end in ru or in a consonant. Consonant.
It can take nyat, but some specific dhatus take kyap. So it could be one of the dhatus which takes kyap also. Is kyap mentioned in Pratyayi? Kyap is appearing?
I saw it, I think.
If kyap comes, then no nyat. 1 second, I will open next.
Also, I don't see. Kyap is yours, correct.
So the three are interchangeable. Yat, kyap, and nyat.
Okay.
So the general rule is yat is for ach ending dhatus, kyap is for some specific dhatus, and nyat is for hal ending dhatus, and rut also, rikara. Rut ending dhatus also nyat applies. Okay. So that's it.
What are the three pratyayas you mentioned? Kyap, nyat, and?
Nyat and yat. All three, the content is ya.
Okay.
And the meaning is also similar, but I don't know. Kyap will be kit and nyat will be nit. That should be the difference. So the derivation will be slightly different. That's all. Yeah.
Because the ru is upada. I think only this can apply. This is a specific thing that forcing it to apply.
Rid upada cha How did you arrive at this sutra?
I followed the prakriya itself.
It is mentioned in the prakriya? Okay.
Kep gets added because of this rule. I opened this rule. It says that after verbs having penultimate short r, affix kep.
Okay.
Oh,
Fine. That's one of the rules for kep. Okay.
So for srij, I think in rit, all these will.
Vrit, srij, yeah. So all upada rit.
So in that case, nyat will not get added. I mean, is that a condition? If kep is added, then
See,
nyat.
it may not be a condition for this dhatu. This condition applies. That we can only say that. It cannot be a general rule for all dhatus, because we don't know many sutras, na? So we can't.
Yeah, I was just wondering why nyat was not given.
No,
If there
because
is
I know kep applies for some dhatus. So maybe based on these special rules, possibly. But if this sutram is there, then I mean, it's clear, right? All rit upada dhatus, it could apply unless there is an apavada somewhere.
So, okay, I think
we
that
can probably close. Harshaji, looks like you have a meeting.
Okay. So, should we, do you want to continue do one more, or should we call it any takers? Niruji, do you want to try doing one row?
Oh no, I'm just observing. I've not done this for a long time, so I'm just observing today, watching what's happening.
Okay.
I'll do it next time.
Mahitaji, do you want to try the next one?
Okay. Which one are we doing?
One second. Through. Shall we try?
Okay.
It was 6.
To that
Will be similar, right? But what guNa is that? 6p. Okay.
Or we can pick another one, because that will also be.
We can pick another. Yeah, almost the same. No, but 6th guNa, the
we'll pick
content is.
We can do that.
Okay.
Put one filter. Filter 174 dhatus in this. Any personal, yeah. Should we try with tud itself or which? Which is, the Atmanepadi, the second one won't work. We need.
We can try with tud also.
Anything is fine.
Tud is anit. Okay, that is okay. How about riff?
Okay.
Rip. Okay. So rip is the dhatu. Yes. So first one is
Lat, right?
lat.
Lat. So rip plus left, rip plus T, tip. Huh. And this is Tudadi. So Vikarana Pratyaya Sha. Rip plus Sha plus tip. Removing the it letters, rip plus a.
So re plus a.
1 second. 1 second.
Okay.
Dhatus, dhatus. This is not probably it, right? Rip.
Correct. It's not a nith letter.
But why is that? Because it belongs to a dhatu. Because you already removed it to probably arrive at rip.
No, it
Yeah,
is ripam.
Vrinda
Ripam.
was-
The original dhatu is ripam. And am is removed.
Already
So
removed the halant.
so it is ripped. Yeah.
This
Halantyam already
rip goes away. Rip is the
Hmm.
connecting person.
Rip plus a plus T. Yes. Now, shup is 1 second. Not shup. Sorry.
Sudati.
Okay.
That will be so sha is sarvadhatuka apit, so nitvat, so no guna, no angakarya. So it will remain rip plus a plus T. So that will just be riphati. Then lit. Abhyasta, is it? So rip. So the pa will go. So it will just be E, because repa is not the first consonant. So it should no. Sorry. It will be re. It will be re plus rip plus lit. Lit will become null. Removing the it of null, re plus rip plus null is nit pratyaya, so it will acho niti will apply. So vridhi will apply, but there is no ach ending dhatu. So this will just be puganta laghu padasya. So re will be re. Re plus re plus rip. Re plus rape plus so it should be re-rape. Then lat bhavi, karmani. So okay, niche. Okay, let's do niche. So rip
You're
plus
right.
niche.
I think the third one was karmani bar. Correct. Sorry, my mistake. So karmani.
Lat karmani. So rip plus yak plus ta. Rip plus ya will go and ka will go. So ya plus te. Ya plus te. Ya won't go. Ripyate. Varna sammelana. Niche. So rip plus e. Niche. So vriddhi will apply, but there is no condition. So it will just be rep plus e repi.
So we
Now repi plus shap plus tik. So it will be rephe plus a plus ti. Now ayavadi sandhi rephayati. Aya plus. Tavya. Rip was a set dhatu, right? So yes. So itavya. That's itavya. Uganta laghu padasya will apply. So rephitavya. Then aniya. Aniya. Rip plus aniya. Rephaniya. Uganta laghu padasya and varna samhita. Nyat. Rip plus nyat. This nit pratyaya. Moving the it letters, it's just rip plus ya. Rape plus ya. Rape. Hani pratyaya. Yeah. Rip plus rip plus a. Repha.
we check this once.
Yeah.
Ripati, Repa. We got both of those. Repa, Ripati, Ripyate, and Karmani, Nijam, so Ripyate and Repayati. We got these two also. And then Kridanta. So Kridanta Pavya is Repitavya, Repaniya, Repanya, Repya. I think we got all of them there.
I think it's all correct. Yeah.
This was a simple.
That one will happen in that aniya, I guess. So repaniya.
Correct. 1 second. Pa is coming. Pa. Does it? Nay, it won't happen, na?
No, it will happen.
Because
Rep at kup. Kup, na? Pakara.
Akara,
oh,
yeah.
yeah.
At Kup Vam. Okay, so shall we call it? Unless
Yeah.
anyone else wants to try.
Maybe we can do the next exercise. That is a little different if you have time.
Choose the right answer.
Next one. So option 4 is the only right answer, is it? I wrote yes for 1 second.
Option 4. Vriddhi can have certain thing.
See,
Vriddhi is
Vriddhi
limited
can
to
happen only with some supratyaya. 3. I wrote yes for 3 because that. 1 second. Are you showing me the? Yeah, I wrote yes for 3 because I will tell you that sutram. What is it? Okara anga. Because of the okara anga, goto nit in sarvanamasthana. Huh?
Correct.
Supratyaya can take vriddhi.
Correct.
So 3 in this particular case it can take vriddhi, and 2 also in lit it can for lit pratyaya it can take vriddhi.
Correct.
And nyat pratyayas of kridanta also can take vriddhi.
And
Isn't it?
thing.
Yeah. So krit pratyayas, there are nyat pratyayas. So it can take vriddhi. And even the first one is no, but again for lit it can take vriddhi.
Yes. Null.
Isn't it? Yeah.
So that's why option 4 is right.
No, for all 4 it can with all 4 are right under some conditions. All 4 yes will apply.
But the wordings are limited
No,
only.
see,
So
vriddhi
that
is
means
limited
not
only to certain thing pratyayas. Yes, when you see this, I didn't understand. When applying nich or with shap, what is this imply? I didn't understand this. So in thing pratyaya for lit, vriddhi applies, isn't it? That's what I thought. So it is limited to certain thing pratyayas. So the answer is yes. And vriddhi can happen only in certain thing pratyayas and with krit pratyayas. See, can happen only, I mean, we have to see where the emphasis is.
Yeah. Yeah, it can be
No, that's
also.
also correct because vriddhi can happen only with the lit pratyaya, null pratyaya, isn't it? Only for lit lakara, vriddhi can happen. Other thing pratyayas, vriddhi is not there. So that way you can say yes for second also. And krit also, only nyit pratyayas will take vriddhi. There are some nyit pratyayas in kridanta.
Nyat, one we saw. Nyat pratyaya, like the one we saw just now.
Yeah, nyat also. Nyat is there and nyit is also there. So those 2 cases, vriddhi can happen. And third one, I told you that what sutram. So, gotonit supratyaya also takes vriddhi. So can happen only with some supratyayas. That also is correct. And 4th one is yes. Yeah. No, vriddhi can happen with certain, thing krit supantadita. Yeah, right. Then this one,
21D. Devadatta was applying a tadita pratyaya tarap to an anga and came up with the following steps. Lagu plus tarap is lago plus tarap, and he ends up with lagottara. But actual thing is lagutara. But he.
Anybody with an answer, or can I say the answer?
Yes, please.
Taddita pratyaya is not sarvadhatuka or ardhadhatuka. That's what I wrote. So there is no guna on the
Correct. Adhikara is dhatoho.
Is that correct? Yeah.
Correct.
Because it's not Dhatva-adhikara. Yeah, exactly. It's not Dhatva-adhikara, so it's neither a Sarvadhatuka or an Ardha Dhatuka. That's what I also wrote. Then second one.
So Somadatta applied for Tam.
It's about the Idagama. Who is Ardha Dhatuka and why there is no Idagama? That's the question, isn't it? This also, it's not Valadi. Ardha Dhatuka, but who is not Valadi. So there is no Idagama. Is that correct?
Who is not Valadi, correct. Who is a vowel?
It's not. So it's not Valadi, right?
Correct. So if, no consonants, no vowels and no ya from consonantless, everything else is okay. Okay, I think we are down to the last 7 minutes. It'll drop. Should we close the call?
Yeah, we can.
Can we, one second, Harsha ji?
Sure.
I had a doubt in the first one, the same thing at the end also. 1 second. The sutra, 1 second. Sarvadhatuka-ardhadhatukayoho. Yeah? Can you show me in the beginning, if you see from Antyasya, the vritti, Sarvadhatuke, Ardhadhatuke, cha pratyaye pare, igantasya, angasya, angasya, gunadeshaha bhavati. What is that? Igantasya, angasya, antyasya, correct. What is that alaha?
Which one are you looking at? Sorry.
7384. In the beginning, you have given the explanation, right? That appears at the end also, the last exercise. I mean,
Sarvadhatuke, ardhadhatuke cha pratyaye pare, igantasya, angasya, antyasya alaha gunadeshaha bhavati.
What is that alaha?
Letter.
That's
the last letter.
no, alaha is, we don't have to include alaha. It's redundant, isn't it? Igantasya, angasya, igantasya, antyasya. So what is alaha? Al is all letter. Any letter. It's not any letter, it is ikaha, isn't it? Because I checked with Ashtadhyayi that alaha is not there in Ashtadhyayi. So I was wondering why you included alaha. Because this question appears in the exercise. That is how I saw that.
Okay. In Kashipa, or maybe
they've said alaha. I didn't understand that alaha, so I thought I will check with you.
Tasya angasya guno bhavati.
Guna bhavati.
It's not here.
Because it is igantasya is the ik ending. So alaha is what? Any letter. So the alaha is redundant, or it doesn't imply the right thing. That's what I thought. I mean, my understanding. I thought so.
Okay. 1 second. Then I might have from Swamiji's.
Because that, can you show the thing below, what exercise is that you have asked for highlighting the word, which is 21F? When I went through that, that is when I got the doubt. Even antyasya, See, igantasya, antasya is already included. Igantasya, angasya, gunadeshaha bhavati. So I thought this antyasya alaha, I didn't understand. So I thought I will just check with you.
No, I would have picked it up either from Ashtadhyayi Kashika Vritti or from Swamiji's notes.
Okay.
So
Okay.
let's look at Swamiji's notes. I'm sure, I mean, because I'm not yet capable of generating a vritti.
No, I thought you will give some explanation. I didn't understand that alaha. That's why I asked.
Maltiji, it's redundant. It can be there, it may not be there. It doesn't add any value.
No, redundant, but alaha is any letter. That's when I got a doubt. When we say igantasya, why mention alaha? Al is any letter, no? I mean, vowel, any sutra which says any letter, al is mentioned. Here it is specifically ik. So, igantasya, isn't it? Ikaha will come from iko guna vriddhi.
This would have been class
58, you said, no? You mentioned in the exercise, class 58. But I don't know if this sutra is there, maybe.
by searching.
I just checked the plain vritti of Ashtadhyayi, that alaha was not there. Then I got a doubt. So I thought maybe there is an explanation for it. Yeah.
Maybe a previous class, because this was done before.
Or we can check, any of us can check, it's okay. Yeah.
Yeah, we'll also begin to check 56.
It is 384. There is one a place where all the references are given, right?
Yeah, it's there in the notes.
In the
notes folder.
References.
Not in Swamiji's, in Sulavam Sanskritam.
Okay.
I think we just have a minute or so left. Maybe we can find it and post it.
Maybe we'll check and we'll post it in the group.
Right. I will find this and I'll post it back.
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah.
Ramesh, do you want to say the concluding phrase?
Yeah, sure. Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om.
Thank you, Harshaji. It was really.
Thank you, Harshaji, for
After today, the whole almost 4 or 5 hours, I was sitting with this because I had forgotten everything. I started from the beginning and
taking lot of time, Harshaji.
It was really nice. Yeah, I mean the exercise
but
is
very nice to work out. I worked out only 2 dadus. The left is remaining. I have to do.
The exercise is really nice. I mean, well thought out, and I don't know how you came up with such things.
Yeah, by doing this, we also will improve something. Now we know, but the rule number and all we forgot. But as you said, suddenly we remember how it happens. Very
and
interesting.
Harshaji put